Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, and I'm gonna help out my brother do a little job. It's me, my cuñada, my dad, and my brother. But I'll show you guys when we get to the job site exactly what we're gonna be doing. Right now, we're just loading up the Bobcat. I'll show you guys that here right now. All right, y'all. We just came to pick up some chains for this and that at our local Kubota shop, steel place. And right now we're gonna be heading out to put air on one of the tires. That's what it was at, 24. We gotta make it a 60. No sale el señor por acá. That quick? All right, now we're gonna go to the gas station, fuel up, and go because it's already kind of pretty late. It's like 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. So let's head out, guys. I mean, the job is not gonna take too long either. It's gonna be a quick job, so we'll show you guys here in a bit. All right, so we're fueling up right now. Putting fuel in the truck, and then we don't need fuel for the Bobcat right now because we already have. It's already pretty much full. So this is what we got on the tool side. I'll show you guys how we're gonna tackle this job down. You guys probably know what we're gonna do right now. So we'll see you guys when we get to the site. All right, guys. I think we are all set with the camera. I think we're good. I think we got a good angle. Yeah. So we're gonna take down all the tools. I don't know if it's gonna be too heavy for you though. It's a lot of stuff. Or yeah. Can you take this? Yeah. Okay. You got it? You sure? Man, you're strong. You're stronger than me. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, guys. So yeah, guys, it's this one. The two X's, everything that has X's coming down. Should be fun. Okay. There's chains. Yeah, it's coldish. Back over here. Este grande. No, ese los vamos a amarrar los dos. Pero vamos a empezar con este. Viene para acá, ¿verdad? No, va para allá. ¿Va para allá? Sí. Pero vamos a hacer que caiga para acá. Vamos a amarrar de... Ready. 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 Almost ready. Sí. No. Ustedes van a estar allá hasta allá. Para que no caiga hasta allá, porque allá hay cables. Se va a tener que caer como por acá. Sí, como por acá. Como aquí. Por eso le digo que mejor aquí iré. Aquí iré.
Pues da vuelta para allá para que te agarres.
Alright guys, so we took that tree down. I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but I don't know, something, my GoPro's acting up. It's saying it's not, battery's dying. When I put the new battery in, 100% charged, it's telling me it's not charged. So I'm just gonna finish up with my phone, I guess. But we took the tree down. My brother's already hauling away the stumps. Alright, we're gonna take this up next. This one's up next, right here. Not so big. The other one was, this one was bigger. And then after we do that one, I already cut a couple branches off some trees. We trimmed them. Right now I'm gonna cut this one right here, this one, that one over there, that one back there, and then that one over there. You guys can probably see the X marks right there, that one. That was gonna be a pretty decent sized one, but that shouldn't be a problem. Everything else is gonna be just pruning and trimming all the low branches like these. We're gonna clear up pretty much like 5-6 feet high, so they can have walking space here. Like I said guys, my GoPro is not charged. I don't know what's up with my GoPro. It was supposed to get some good footage with it on my head, but I guess not. So my glasses are fogging up. I'm gonna clean them here in a bit, and then I'm gonna tie this one up. And I don't think we need to tie it, but we better play it safe because there's a fence right next to it. So yeah, the bad thing about this property is that there's cables everywhere, which is the only thing that concerned us. But we got the tree down. Right now I'm just gonna try and get some footage of cutting down these trees or whatnot. But look at my brother. Don't mind my cut right there. Shit's ugly, but got the tree down. You know your dad's mixing when he wants to use this instead of the chainsaw. Come on, Dad. Full power. Let's cuidar con su pie. There you go. Yeah, así se puede. 3. Está bien macizo este árbol. Pero espérate. No, está bien.
No, pues sí. Ya sé, ya le estoy cortando.
Tenemos cuidado con el fence, mira. Si quiere cortar la calle para primero, donde está el pedazo de fence. Oh, está bien ya. I'm just getting some content for you guys. We don't really work like this, but I just wanted to get some kind of decent type of content. That's why I'm not doing anything either. Just walking around recording a little bit. I'm about to cut this one down in a bit. And then we don't use ladder to cut the trees down, so don't use ladders. We just tie the rope up. When they're dead trees, where we can't get, when there's no branches on them or anything on them, we need to actually get up there and tie it up. Usually we'll throw a little bean bag on a branch up there, but this tree, the tree that we took down, had no branches at all because it was just dried out. And we can't climb a dried out tree. It's too dangerous, too risky. So we use a ladder, we tie the rope up there, and then we hold it, we cut it, hold it down. Simple as that. So I'm about to get to work now just because I want to get out of here a little early. Right now it's I can't even check my phone, but like I said, guys, right now it's 1:30. We got here like at 12, so we've been here for like an hour and a half. We already cleared one 40-footer. We got a 20-footer left, and we got a 10-footer over there, and then the rest is gonna be just pruning. My dad and my cuñada are already pruning the stuff, so they're already knocking that out the way. And so yeah, right now I'm gonna get ready to cut that one. I already got the rope piled up. We don't really need it anymore. All right, guys, y'all can tell we cut this baby down. I had to cut it from right here just because it was curved too much over there. I was afraid of it to go on that side. That's where it started to straighten out. So we got that one. We got that baby down. It's probably only 20 feet high, so it's not that bad. No, it was actually like a 30-footer, but it wasn't that bad. But right now we're gonna clean it up, and I'll show you guys when we're 100% done. You guys can see right here, we cut it about at 4 feet. 4 feet when we made a cut. My brother's gonna haul it out away. My cuñada and my dad are picking up all the little branches and pruning all this little stuff right here, the lower stuff, and then we should be done pretty soon. Well, not pretty soon, but we should be done by, I'm hoping, around 4 or so. But who knows? We'll show you guys here in a bit. Guys, so I'll show you guys when we get almost done here. I'm about to take this baby down. Show you guys that too. Maybe. Safety first, guys. But that was an easy one. My brother is gonna come in and stump grind this, so that doesn't really matter for us. So far, so good though. All right, guys. So we're all done with today's project. We're gonna come back to stump this, stump that, stump grind it. You could say stump grind that one, this one. We cut this one and this one. What else? A whole bunch of small little stumps. We cleaned up the bottom. We trimmed up the branches. You guys can tell if you look closely. We trimmed everything up level, a little bit higher. There's a stump right there. You guys can tell we trimmed it up. Stump right there. What else? Trimmed this up. That was pretty much it with trees that we took down. We took down like 3 decent sized ones, and the rest were like, there was like 5 small, super small trees. But we trimmed everything up. I'm gonna show you the other stumps that are gonna be grinded. That stump right there. Bobcat's staying here for the day. Might rain tomorrow, so we might not be here. But there's a stump here, stump there, 2 stumps there, 1 there, and I think that wraps it up with stumps. Yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's like 11, 12 stumps that need to be grinded. So that's gonna be fun. Right now we're gonna head out because we're done. We didn't bring the grinder with us until the next time that we come. But the Bobcat's staying here because we're gonna haul away all the chippings and stuff. That shouldn't be too difficult to do. So we'll probably end up doing that next time we come, for sure. All right, guys, so that's all the debris we hauled away. We probably could have chipped it, but it cost us 20 bucks to dispose of it this way. So why not, right? My brother's over there cleaning up the driveway and cleaning this up real quick, and then we're gonna head out. It's actually like 3:30 right now, 3:30 p.m. and we got here like at noon, so 3 hours, pretty much did everything. 3.5 hours. pretty easy. The only concern we had was probably like 2 concerns of the tree hitting the fence, because the fence is brand new. They just put the fence in, so we didn't want to damage that. So but overall, it was pretty good. We got the job done right now. Well, like I said, all that's left is the stump grinding, but that shouldn't be too difficult. I don't know if I'm gonna come for that, because I am starting a new project soon. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that on video or anything. I'm gonna move the truck real quick. Oh, it's not even on. Thought it was on. Or in somebody's driveway, but yeah, we're in Shaker Heights, guys. Over here in Cleveland, Shaker Heights, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, my brother has like a lot of properties in this area, literally like across it, like around the street and stuff. New properties that they built, new construction homes and everything, and all that. So there's a lot of work around here, so it's cool. So right now we're gonna wrap everything up and head out. Let me just show you guys what we got here. Here. ¿Ya pa? ¿Listo? ¿Vamos a tapar esta? Sí. Agárrasela ya. Yeah, here we go. Nowhere. But yeah, guys, this is my trailer. My brother's trailer has the leaf box on it, so we ended up taking my trailer. That's what we do during the spring season. He leaves his dump box on there, his leaf box, in case he gets more leaf projects, and then we'll use my trailer for jobs like this. So we're out now.